Welcome class 4 in your e-learning revision classes. As we are revising the very first chapter of your EVS, that is going to school. And in this chapter we are revising all kinds of vehicles which students used to go to their school, and whatever or moreover the vehicles which are used by local people, or which vehicles are very common to specific fields or specific geographical places. Just like we have we have learned about the bullock carts as well as the camel carts. Camel carts are very famous in the sandy area or in deserts like Bikaner, Jaisalmer. These areas are very famous for the camel cart, and the people or the local people also use this type of cart for carrying the things and carrying people. As well as the students of that area go to school by camel cart or sometime riding on the camel. And in the plains, in our plain area, just like our area, and especially in the villages and small towns, we have seen they use bullock carts for carrying the harvesting things or the crops from their field to the farm, as well as they use this kind of bullock carts for carrying people also from one village to another or one place to another place. But these are very slow moving cart or slow moving vehicles, as the animals also become tired, so they also get rest for some time. So it is a very slow kind of vehicles. Nowadays we don't use this, and gradually from the ancient period to this modern area we can see the gradual increase and the gradual modification of the vehicles. So at first we were moving on the four chakas, or you can say four wheels. Then it came to giant wheels, just like the camel carts as in bullock carts. But now after that, nowadays, even still now, lots of students going to school by bicycle. And gradually in the modern area there are so many other vehicles, but today we will discuss how the students go to school by bicycle and what is the structure of the bicycle, in which places it is very useful. As we know, bicycles are very common for the students, from 5 onwards, generally from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, these kind of students, they go to school by bicycle if the school is nearby to their place. So even in our school we have seen few students come to school by bicycle. So what is the structure of the bicycle? There are two wheels of bicycle, and they are joined by a wheel and burrow system. So as we move the pedals, or the students just move the pedal, these rings moves and the student or the vehicle goes on. But there is a need of balance. So the person who is riding the bicycle, that person has to balance the bicycle along with its body. So it cannot be fall down. It needs little bit practice of riding it. But nowadays, not only in the plains we have seen, or we can see the students who are living in the small mountainous region or the hilly areas, even in the deserted areas, all sorts of people, they use this kind of vehicle because it is cheapest vehicle, and there is no need of too much spending of the money for this kind of vehicle. Just we can pump it, and if the tires are full of the air, and they gives a smooth ride, and it is little bit faster in comparison to this bullock cars. So people just opt this option, as it is a very cheap option, and any person can buy a bicycle and they can ride from their deserted place, or if the places where they want to go, they can go to their desired place if they ride the cycle. If it is not far from our places, nearby, even the 4-5 kilometers are also the distances which can be covered by this type of bicycle. So here you see the diagram of given bicycle, and the students of class, few girls are going to school by bicycle, and you see the bicycle, each bicycle is driven by a girl, and there are two wheels of this bicycle, and there is a tire and tube. This tube is filled with air, and they can ride smoothly. Even the smallest, the narrowest place, the students can ride this kind of cycle. So it is not a very hard task. We ride our bicycle on the long roads to school. At first, girls here did not go to school because it was far too. So in the village areas, people do not want to send their girls to the school, as these were far from their places. So how a girl can go that far place alone? But nowadays we can see the girl child or the girl student, they make a group of 7 to 8 students, and they ride the bicycle within the group. They move from their place to school, and they ride on the bicycle, and they go in a very smooth pace, and they can go within the group. Or sometimes we see that single girl is also riding a cycle, and they go to their school. So this is a very cheap and good communication. Even our government is also very much interested for the girls' education, so they are also providing bicycle to the students or the poor students, so that they can easily cover the distance from their home to the school, and they can go to school very easily. So bicycle, or the invention of the bicycle, made the distances easy to us, and a person can easily cover these distances by bicycle, and it does not need lots of spending. Within a minimum spending, or by spending very small amount of money, we can maintain our bicycle. And it is a very good option for the for everybody actually, because it is pollution free. If you are riding a bicycle, that means it is not polluting anywhere, and it is very good for the students, because it is a good exercise also. When you are riding the cycle, that means you are doing good exercise of your legs. By this way, constantly moving of the legs means a good exercise of the legs, and these make your legs very strong. So it is a good exercise also. So riding cycle is good for us and for our environment both, because it is pollution free as well as it is a very good exercise and cheapest means of communication. So each and every student can opt this. If a student is poor and they are coming from far from the village side, they can opt this option, and they can easily come to their school. So that's all for bicycle, and we have completed the journey of the bicycle, how the students cover their journey by this bicycle. Next we will talk about another kind of vehicle, that is Jugat, or it is a special type of vehicle. In my next video I will discuss it with you. So just go through your answer, and I have given some answers in your e-portal. On Monday I will give the answers of the activity book. So second chapter of activity book, but before that I want to complete this first chapter. So till that, stay at your home, be safe, careful